Are you looking for a way to replace your job and create a full-time income online? Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and stick with me till the end. I'll share the easy way to work online and create a full-time income. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. I've been marketing online almost since the beginning of the internet. I went full-time over 20 years ago and life has been great. I ski most days in the winter and I sail most days in the summer while most people are busy at their jobs. But it didn't happen overnight. The last thing I would suggest anyone do is quit their job before having the replacement income in place. But here's something you can start working on today. We'll show you how to create a full-time income working just a few hours per week. When you hit your income goal, you'll know exactly what to do. I built a simple online business. It's what's known as affiliate marketing, and it's a perfect way to transition into what I like to call being job optional. Affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. You don't need to handle any inventory. There are no customer service issues. It's neat and clean, and again, can take very minimal time if you build the right opportunity. But you have to choose carefully. Too many affiliate offers pay out small one-time commissions. And that means you'd have to sell a lot of stuff every day to make significant income. And if you're going to spend that much time working, you might as well keep your job. Well, I found an affiliate opportunity that pays out a whopping 80% commissions and pays out recurring income too. That's money that comes in month after month. That's what creates time freedom. That's why I work online. This thing is super simple. No special skills are required. Anyone can do it. We'll show you how to create a full-time income in about 30 minutes per day, whenever it's convenient for you, wherever you happen to be, even if you're at the beach. You do not need to build a website or do any techie stuff. All of that is taken care of for you. We even provide training and personal mentoring. I think it's the ideal way to replace your job and create a full-time income working online. To learn more, go to my website, makemorefaster.com, or click the link in the description. Go ahead and do it now. We'll talk soon.